This is the Hair Sanjeevani Bring Hair Back to Life Hair Growth Regime, which is a combination of two products which contains a hair oil and a shampoo. So if you guys are interested, then please do keep on watching. Now, as you guys can see, the products comes in an outer cardboard packaging which is quite sturdy. You can gift it to your friends and family. It's a great combo to gift your loved ones. So the first one is the Therapeutic Hair Oil and the second one is the Mild Detox Shampoo. Now these products are 100% organic. They are made of 100% natural ingredients which helps in detoxing impurities and stimulating new hair growth. Let's talk about the hair oil first. Now this is a therapeutic hair oil which is a combination of ancient herbs and the new age modern herbs which are discovered lately. It contains ancient herbs like Bhringraj, aloe vera, amla, hibiscus, neem, and also the new age modern herbs like red onion extract, vitamin E, shea butter and argan oil. The combination of all such amazing ingredients is going to help in detox, nourish, stimulate, repair and create a nice shield to protect your hair from harmful environment. All the ingredients list is mentioned over here, and by the way, these products are free from harmful chemicals like parabens, sulfates and mineral oil. Now mineral oil is something which is just a temporary fix to your hair. If you use too much of mineral oil, it leads to hair thinning and dryness instead of protecting it. So make sure you check the ingredients list before you purchase and stop using hair oils with mineral oil in it if you want a healthy and good looking hair. Also, these products are 100% vegan and cruelty free, which is absolutely amazing. Now talking about the packaging, it comes in a plastic bottle packaging which is quite sturdy. You have to press it over here to unlock the cap, and once you use it, you have to press it on the other end to lock it and avoid any sort of leakage. And this is how the texture of the oil looks like. It is neither runny nor thick. It has that perfect consistency for a hair oil. It has a mild herbal scent to it which doesn't bother sensitive noses. Also, the fragrance doesn't linger for a long time, it just fades away once you apply it. Now moving on to the shampoo, this is their Mild Detox Shampoo which claims to remove dandruff, prevent hair fall, cleanse your scalp and prepare it for new hair growth. Now this one has interesting ingredients again. It contains aloe vera, neem extracts, amla, rita, shikakai which deep cleanse toxins and dust, while green coffee extract, red onion extract and Moroccan argan oil moisturize and form a protective layer. Packaging is really nice. It comes with a pump as you guys can see, and this is how you open it, and once you're done, you're supposed to flip it on the other side. This one has a gel consistency to it and it smells absolutely amazing. It feels so fresh and soothing. Now this one doesn't lather too much as your regular shampoos does, but it cleanses very well, leaving a bouncy and healthy looking hair. It gives an amazing volume which I'm totally in love with. It's been 2 weeks since I started using these products. I apply the oil and massage it for about 10 to 15 minutes, keep it overnight and then wash my hair with the detox shampoo the next day. If you wish, you could leave it for about 2 to 3 hours and then wash it off. This is a very good combo if you guys are looking for some organic shampoo and oil. It made my hair super soft and voluminous, and my hair feels nice and fresh till the next time I wash it. This is the best oil and shampoo for all your hair fall problems.